for antelope. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for gorilla. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. Come on and see, there's more. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for owl. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snail. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella bird. V is for vulture. And there's a few more, have you heard? W is for walrus. X is for X-ray tetra. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. We see so many animals from A to Z. Oh, when